Hey guys, it's Tatiana with GuruNanda. Now I have a fantastic sugar scrub that you're really gonna wanna add into your summer beauty routine. It's super simple. First, of course, we always start with our coconut oil. So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Fill that tablespoon up, put it in a bowl. This is the fun part. Then we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of honey. A little sticky, I know, but I mean, who doesn't love honey? Add that into the coconut oil. And then, this is my favorite part. This is where the magic happens. You're gonna take 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, get that in there. 3, add a little extra if you feel a little daring, a little risky. Okay, and then this is where we get our beautiful essential oils in the mix. Take 4 drops of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add a little citrus with the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, our handy dandy tea tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now get your spoon and you're gonna mix it up really good. Make sure you get that coconut oil and that honey all mixed into that sugar and get those essential oils all the way diluted. Mix it up. This is gonna be so much fun. So once you got the mixture going really nice, just spoon out. And then all you have to do is just rub it, massage it on your skin for great summer exfoliation. And then you're gonna rinse it off, of course, as usual, and then there you go, you're good to go. So you wanna try this about 3 times a week for super soft skin. All right, guys, be sure to tune in every week with GuruNanda on Amazon Live. I'll see you guys soon.